everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's our first 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Alpine White with the Calm Beige interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Alpine White. I've just hit unlock on the key, so we've got the DRLs on. This is what the key looks like. I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second so we can get the pathway lighting on. So that's what the full low beam system looks like. And let me do a lap all the way around. So this is the X line model, so no M Sport package. And there are some minor changes for 2026. So we're definitely going to cover those things. And once I have completed a full lap all the way around the vehicle, let's take a closer look at all the details. We've got the classic Alpine White. I'm just at the side of the car looking at the hood. We've got these lines coming lengthwise down the vehicle. Got the rondelle up front and center. We have the brushed aluminum kidney grille with the vertical and intersecting horizontal or diagonal slats. So that looks really neat. It's a lot of BMW design language is focused around these crisscross patterns. Low beams on with the pathway lighting and the DRLs. So from a lighting standpoint, I think that looks awesome. And down here, so we've got some parking sensors, a little bit of that chin down there. You can see there's some active shutters down here as well. And if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the BMW LED headlights. So that looks cool, double stacked L shape. And when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch 941 wheels. And I think that's midnight gray burnished. So that looks pretty sweet, and I like that non-M Sport doesn't have any type of non-body colored over fender. The rocker panel, however, is in black, and it has some of those crisscross patterns on there, kind of like the front grille. And we have the body colored side mirror with the turn signal, and we've got some brushed aluminum on the lower part of the window trim into the Hofmeister kink. And the top is black. We have brushed aluminum roof rails, the glass roof, and we have the new style antenna over there. And if we step back for a moment, take a side profile look. So we've got this body line coming up across, flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. There's your rear 19-inch wheel. And we have a little bit of a spoiler on the top here, rear wiper arm, and let's get the tail lights on. So we've got the stacked L shape, inverted L shape tail lights, and the badging looks exactly the same as 2025. And we've got the diffuser down here, no visible exhaust, but if we take a look under, there is the muffler there. And since we're at the back here, let me give a little kick. So we can get that to open up the hands-free way. We have the cargo cover here to hide your contents. There's a button on each side that you can press. When the orange is revealed on each side, this means that this is loose and can be pulled out completely. And to push it back, you just literally push it back in until you don't see orange. We have a 12-volt plug and a grocery bag hanger. There's another grocery bag hanger on this side that can also be used to prop this up. So if I lift this up and I fold it up like this, I can bring down this grocery bag hanger to use that to prop this up. So we still have this little spot here for wheel lock key tow hook, little netted area with the illumination here. These are the carpeted mats, the winter ones are on the floor. And 2026 X3 comes with tire inflator kit plus. So if I take this out, I just wanted you to see it's this thing here. So it has a little pump. The air gets in through these air holes at the side. It attaches onto the wheel, and it will inflate the tire and spray the sealant in at the same time. So I have covered this in another video. So let me just put this back, and it goes into this little pouch. So this little pouch is also new. I haven't seen this until now. I don't think I can do it one-handed. One second. So there's some Velcro on the bottom of the pouch, so I can just stick it onto the floor and not have it fly around. And then I will lower this piece here, just like that, and I can close this up now. And up top we have a button to close, another one to close and lock, but I can certainly kick my foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. And on the passenger side of the car, we do have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot here to put it. And when you're done, it's clockwise, one click, and then you can shut the door. I want to open up the back door here. So this is the Calm Beige Veganza interior. And this is new, so we've got this new gray color here with gray door handle instead of black. The window switch is glossy now. So good job, guys. We got the changes we wanted. And we also have the red contrast stitching. Let's take a closer look at these seats back here. So there's the release lever on the shoulder and armrest in the center with cup holders. And up here, there's the button right here to pull down the center pass-through. Just like that. And the headrest can all be adjusted up and down. On the back of each front seat, we do have some pockets. There's some rear vents, storage, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and these are the optional winter mats. There's some ventilation and illumination down there. We also have some microphones on the C-pillar on each side for Bluetooth. And up top, we do have the handle with the coat hanger and the lights on each side. So now that we've looked at this, let's shut this door and let's open up the front passenger door next. So touch comfort access on the front doors. Let's open that up. And there's the new 2026 gray handle and the glossy window control. And was this glossy? I'm not sure. And we've got X3 here, so that's neat. Full power seat, manual under the thigh extension, headrest also manually adjusted forwards, backwards, and up and down. We have the soft touch materials on the dash. We've got some stitching going across. Down here, there's a button that opens the glove box. The glove box is illuminated, and there's a little key cylinder to lock it. We have iDrive 9 on the curved display and more crisscross patterns all over here. We've got the purple ambient light going on, looks cool. We have the wireless charger, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's also a little vent here to cool your phone. There's the X3 diamond or jewel, and we have also the cup holders. We have the glass iDrive controller. We've got your gear selector and your volume wheel. And here is your center console. If I lift this up, there's a 12-volt plug in there as well. It's kind of hard to see. So let's shut this door and we'll open the door on the driver's side next. All right, so we come to the driver's side, open up that door. There's that nice new silver handle. It kind of feels the same as before, but it's silver, so it must be better, right? And here are your glossy controls for all this stuff. So that's pretty cool. We got all your window controls and all that. And down here, full power seat with side bolster. And another look at those Calm Beige seats. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel with the 2-spoke, cruise control things there, audio control things over there. And we've got the paddles. The exterior lighting controls are on the signal stock, and we've got the wiper stock over there. And up top, we've got your rear view mirror. We've got sun visor controls, still glass roof up top. And if I pull down the visor, we open that up, there's a little bit of lighting. And the 2026 model comes with 1 physical key. All other additional keys must be digital. So that's also another change in the 2026 model year. And down here, so we've got the mats, but we've also got some pedals. And down here is a hidden hood release. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, we won't have to find anything underneath here. We just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We have your positive battery terminal over here. We have a negative battery terminal as this post here. And we got washer fluid. BMW only likes regular washer fluid. And we've got 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway, you literally just need to center down. Beauty. All right, so before I conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. I think in Alpine White with no other options here, I think it looks really clean. And you get a lot for this package having no additional options really. And let's hear that remote engine start, cold start. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So you can hear there's no like ignition sound because it's the mild hybrid 48 volt battery that's doing the starting. But once it's on, you can obviously tell this is a gas motor. So we'll do 1, 2, 3 again to shut it off. Perfect. So remote engine start stays on for 15 minutes, locked the entire time, warms up or cools down the interior, and stops if you don't get to the car in 15 minutes. So how do you like the small changes on the 2026 BMW X3? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Alpine White with the Calm Beige interior. So this is our first 2026. I know you guys have been waiting to see one on the channel so we can see what some of the changes look like. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.